Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Tuesday, July 23rd. Well, stocks continue to move higher, new all-time highs once again in the E-mini S&P, 1694 and a quarter. The market finished essentially unchanged, up 3/4 of a point at 1690 and 1/4. The E-mini S&P only had a 9-point range, so the market looks like it was getting a little tired here, maybe a little stall at the top. Dow futures actually ended up being down 15,491. New highs were made yesterday. 15,541 was the new peak in the Dow futures. The Nasdaq led gainers with a 0.3% gain yesterday, 3047.5, up 6 3/4. So all of the markets had a nice push once again yesterday. The dollar index continued to drift lower, down 40, 82.32, below that 82.50 level that we've talked about. That's a midpoint over the last 3 months. The euro currency pushed up, had a high of 132.22 yesterday, closed at 131.92, just below the 132 threshold, but it was up 53 points on the day. Bond market made some new highs, 136, but backed off, came all the way back and closed it unchanged at 135.5, 135.16 that is. The 136 is the highest we've seen since that extreme spike low at 132. Crude oil was off yesterday, down 93 cents, 106.94, had about a 2-point range during that trading session in the crude. The big mover of the day, the big bullish move was in gold, up $43, 13,036 an ounce, 1339 was the high of the session. $43 on the day was a 3% move, breakout move on the upside in gold. We've been talking about 1357 as the target in the gold market based on that bottoming pattern, and it looks like we've gotten almost there here in the near term. Back to that 1350 breakout was the breakdown support that it failed at and went through, so markets often come back to their breakout points. So after that action yesterday in gold and quiet in the stock markets but making new highs, where do the markets stand on this Tuesday morning to start a new trading day? Well, we're up once again. We're up 0.3% in the E-mini S&P, 1694, up 3 3/4. Dow futures are up 28, 15,519. So that puts it about 20-some points off the all-time highs made just yesterday. The Nasdaq's also up 6 or 7 points right now at 3057. 3087 is the all-time high. Now, again, that was made way last week, so it's been a couple of sessions since we've made highs in the Nasdaq, so it has upside potential to reach that next resistance point. The dollar index is steady, up 7 at 82.38. We've got the euro down 16 at 131.76. Now, yesterday's high in the euro currency is the highest it's been in over a month. Looking at the bond market, down 13, 135.03. The yield on the 30-year Treasury is at 3.58% as it stands right now. Crude oil continues to drift after making highs on Friday. The high on Friday, 108.93, the highest that crude's been in about 15 months. We're seeing a little profit taking, down 84 cents today at 106.10 as it stands right now. And after the record move yesterday that we've seen, the biggest move in gold since 2011, gold's back down $9 at 1327. Again, the breakout was 1300 yesterday, and 1357 is our target on the upside. So to wrap up the current action, with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're positive once again. E-mini S&P up 3 3/4, 1694, 1694 and 3/4 is the all-time high from yesterday. And right now the Dow futures are up 28, 15,519. I will see you early Wednesday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.